Familiarizing with GMAT and GRE. Master the test format. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most effective strategies to curb test anxiety: familiarizing yourself with the test format. If you've ever wondered why some people seem so confident on test day, it's often because they know exactly what to expect. Let's uncover how you can gain that same level of confidence. Knowing what to expect can greatly reduce uncertainty and fear. When we're unsure about something, our anxiety tends to spike. By understanding the test format. 1. You reduce surprises on test day. 2. You can create a study plan that aligns with the test structure. 3. You boost confidence, as each section feels like a known challenge rather than an unknown monster. Both the GMAT and GRE are critical exams for graduate school admissions. While they have different focuses, they share similarities in structure. GMAT, 4 main sections: analytical writing, integrated reasoning, quantitative, and verbal. Computer adaptive. The better you perform, the harder the questions become. GRE, 3 main sections: verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and analytical writing. Can move back and forth within sections. Understanding the basic structure of these exams is the first step in becoming familiar with their format. The best way to truly become familiar with a test format is by taking mock tests. This lets you 1. Experience the timing and pace of the real exam. 2. Understand the type of questions you'll encounter. 3. Get comfortable with the software interface, especially since both the GMAT and GRE are computer-based. It's not just about taking the test, though. Afterward, review your answers. This helps you identify areas for improvement and gives you insights into the exam's nuances. Beyond mock tests, immerse yourself in the format daily. 1. When studying, time yourself to match the pace of the actual test. 2. Discuss types of questions and test sections with peers or in online forums. The more you talk about it, the more familiar it becomes. 3. Visualize test day. Imagine yourself successfully navigating each section. Alright, everyone. Remember, a significant part of success on test day is feeling at ease. And the more familiar you are with the test format, the more at ease you'll feel. Start today, delve into the structure, and with each day, you'll be one step closer to mastering the GMAT or GRE. We hope this video has been insightful. Until next time, happy studying!